lecture 1 continuation. Next we are going to see motherboard. Okay, motherboard is the printed circuit present in the CPU. Okay, so if you see this in computer system, the CPU, okay, inside the CPU the motherboard will be present. Okay, so it is the printed circuit. Okay, motherboard is the printed circuit. In this motherboard only the main component of the computer such as RAM, ROM and processor and PC slot are present. Okay, so this is so motherboard is considered as the main part of the computer. Okay, what is booting? Booting is the process of loading and executing the software. Okay, it is done with the help of program called BIOS. BIOS means basic input and output system. Okay, so BIOS is a system boot program stored in the ROM. Okay, so in the motherboard ROM will be there. Okay, so in that ROM only the program called BIOS will be there. Okay, basic input and output system. Okay, and this BIOS is the first program that runs when the computer is turned on. Okay, next, what does this BIOS do? Okay, it mainly do two work. One is it do post test. Post test means power on self test. Okay, what is the meaning of this power on self test? Means it first test the hardware of the computer, whether all the hardware of the computer are working properly. So first it will test the hardware of the computer. Okay, after testing that it will load the operating system. Okay, OS from it will load the OS from secondary memory to the RAM main memory. Okay, so BIOS, after doing post test, it will load the operating system, that is OS, from secondary memory to the main memory, that is RAM. Okay, and give it control over it. Okay, so this is called booting. Okay, this two processes is called booting process. Okay, so this is done by the program called BIOS program. Okay, and then this BIOS program is stored in the ROM memory. And next is schematic diagram of motherboard. Okay, so in the motherboard there is 4 component. Okay, 4 means major 4 component. One is processor socket. So in the processor socket only the processor will be there, the CPU. Okay, CPU will be there in the processor socket. Okay, and next to the processor socket there will be memory slot. Okay, in the memory slot only the RAM will be there. Okay, that is main memory will be there in the memory slot. Okay, and next is BIOS, the ROM. Okay, so the BIOS program will be in the ROM memory and then expansion slot. Okay, so these 4 are the main component of motherboard. Okay, so what will happen if you turn on the computer? Okay, the power socket convert the AC current into DC current and they supply that current into this motherboard circuit. Okay, so after that the BIOS program will run. The BIOS program will do post test and then it will take the OS from secondary storage to the memory slot. Okay, that is main memory. Okay, again I am saying, okay, if you turn on the computer, first the power socket, okay, present outside the motherboard will convert the AC current from the wire to DC current and supply to the motherboard circuit. Okay, so in the motherboard circuit the first program that run is BIOS program, that is present in the ROM memory. So the BIOS program will do post test and then it will take the OS from secondary storage to the main memory. Okay, that is present in the memory slot. Okay, RAM. So this is the actual process of booting. If you see the computer or laptop, initially there will be a black screen will appear. Okay, initially if you turn on the computer there will be a black screen. Okay, so that black screen indicates that system is booting. Okay, so after that booting only we can able to see the Windows okay, after that booting only we can able to see the Windows symbol. Okay, so the before Windows symbol there will be black screen. Okay, so that black screen indicates that the computer or laptop is in booting condition. Okay, so process happen when we turn on the computer.